Welcome to the lesson of an advanced legal English for students and teachers as well. And today we will delve into an exciting topic under the title Employment Law. We are going to make out and analyze some exercises with the readings and any other context. And let's get started. So let's get started with the answering the questions. First question. What is the difference between an act and a convention? An act is part of domestic legislation and has a validity and obligations in a national context. A convention is an agreement ratified internationally. The second question. Where do you find an article and where do you find a section? An article is in a convention. A section is in an act. I'm going to read some sections with the abstracts. Then after that, following other questions, I will give you the best solutions and explanations. So A section. Workers and employers organizations shall have the right to draw up their constitutions and rules, to elect their representatives in full freedom, and to formulate their program. Then next, the public authorities shall refrain from any interference which would restrict this right or impede the lawful exercise thereof. B section of employment law. Workers shall enjoy adequate protection against acts of anti-union discrimination in respect of their employment. The next, second, such protection shall apply more particularly in respect of acts calculated to a. Make the employment of a worker subject to the condition that he shall not join a union or shall relinquish trade union membership. B. Cause the dismissal of or otherwise prejudice a worker for reason of union membership or because of participation in union activities outside working hours or with the consent of the employer within working hours. C section. Notwithstanding the provisions of paragraph first of this article, national laws or regulations or the competent authority may, after consultation with the organizations of employers and workers concerned where such exist, authorize employment or work as from the age of 16 years on condition that the health, safety, and morals of the young persons concerned are fully protected and that the young persons have received adequate specific instruction or vocational training in the relevant branch of activity. So here we do have an exercise. We need to match these expressions with their highlighted synonyms in the extract. First of this, therefore. Second, agreement, consent. Third, related to, in respect of. Fourth, because of, by reason of. Fifth, conditions, provisions. Six, stop themselves, refrain from. 7. Despite, notwithstanding. 8. Have the right to enjoy. 9. This, such. 10. Give up, relinquish. 11. In any other way, other ways. 12. Allow and authorize. Actually, you need to expand your vocabulary in an advanced level. So that's why all these expressions are belong to the advanced level. Next. Actually, next exercise is we need to read the extracts from other conventions and we need to choose the best options of the words which is more appropriate. Let me read for you first. Each member of the International Labour Organization, which ratifies this convention, undertakes or promises to oppose or suppress the use of forced or compulsory labor in all its forms within the shortest possible period. And surely undertakes and suppress. Let me read for you once again. Each member of the International Labour Organization which ratifies this convention undertakes to suppress the use of forced or compulsory labor in all its forms within the shortest possible period. With a view to this complete suppression, recourse to forced or compulsory labor may be had during the transitional period for public purposes only and as an measure action, actually, and after exceptional. But if this is measure, so you need to say just and as a measure, subject to the conditions and guarantees hereinafter provided. So that's all for this advanced legal English lesson. Stay in tuned for better, valuable and free video lessons. For that, kindly ask you subscribe my YouTube channel and also wise you can easily download all the materials through my Telegram channel. So kindly ask you to join to my Telegram channel as well. As thanks for watching.